Tuesday, week 2. Number 1, they each eated 2 pieces of pizza for lunch. First things first, always capitalize the beginning of a sentence. Again, we all know this. It's just a matter of doing it. They each eated. They didn't each eated. And if you highlight this, it'll even show you. Actually, no, it won't. That went to heated. Sometimes that'll even show you, because you never say eated. You should say they each ate. You would never say eated in any situation. They each eated. 2 should be TWO, not TO. It's a TWO, 2 pieces. This is the wrong pieces. Okay, you want to go with PIECES. They each ate 2 pieces of pizza for lunch, and then our period at the end. Number 2, my mom and dad is from Havana, Cuba. Now, obviously at the beginning, we want to capitalize again for my. So the question becomes, mom and dad, if you notice, mom is capitalized, dad is not. Now, we know they should probably be the same thing, but which one is it, capitals or not? In this case, we go lowercase. You would only go capital if you are directly addressing them. If you were to say, like, Mom, can you give me my supper? And you directly address mom, then you would capitalize mom or dad, depending on which one it is. But if you just say my mom and dad, no capitalization there. And if you notice, too, they say that they is from Havana, Cuba. You would want to go with are because you have 2. You have mom and dad, so you have plural. And then Havana, Cuba, you always capitalize cities, states, countries, that type of thing. And you always put commas in between cities and states or countries. So Havana, comma, Cuba. So my mom and dad are from Havana, Cuba. And number 3 and 4, we have circle the best word. We're looking at comparative and superlative form. For number 3, insects are the blank class of animals on Earth. So we are comparing these insects to all the classes of animals on Earth. So whenever we're comparing more than 2, because we're comparing all of them, we go with EST. We're in the superlative form, EST. So they are the largest class of animals on Earth. If it was only insects versus humans, then it would be larger. Since it's all the class of animals, we go with largest. Same thing with number 4. Horseshoe crabs are believed to be the blank kind of living animal that will be oldest. That's in the superlative form too. You add the EST because they're the oldest kind of living animal. They're compared to all the living animals, they're the oldest. On to number 5 with guide words. We have early and easy, and they ask which one does not belong between early and easy. Now, remember, guide words appear at the top of the dictionary. So if you go to your dictionary and you find early to easy, that means all the words that go in between early and easy would be on that dictionary page. This question is saying, though, which one would not belong on the page. And in this case, it would be eaves. Because you have EAR to EAS at the beginning. EAV would come after the S, so therefore eaves does not belong on the page. And that is all for Tuesday, week 2.